these people on my side, or else you're fired.
Go on! Tell them what you think!
You don't know me, but my name's
Dick, baby.
I'm just the O'Hare delivery guy. But it seems like trees might be worth a try. So I say, let it.
Looking out a dirty old window, down below the cars in the city go rushing by. I sit here alone and I wonder why.
Carl, I think that's enough. Carl!
I'm sorry, Jimmy. I can't stop shaking my broom thing. We're the kids in America.
Yeah, it'll take me just a second to get this under control. In the meantime, here's a clip of my dad on the alien homeworld.
My name is Ben,
and my name's Zor.
Our sun will so kinda glows, and that's good, so we suppose we should let it.
Holding an iron on fire!
Carl!
Let it
Hanging or what? Back to fire!
Hi, Carl!
let it
Okay, on the downbeat. Now when I first came to the Cretaceous era, I experienced fright and terror. And then I met a friend who helped me to survive. His blood is warm, his young are born alive. Hey-oh, aha! Hey, 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 hey-oh.
Carl!
You can't reap what you don't sow. Plant a seed inside the earth. Just one way to know its worth. Let's celebrate the world's rebirth. We say let it.
I got people inside me. I got people inside me. And they're walking in my brain.
My name's Erin, and I am 3. I would really like to see it. La 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 lee. I said let it.
Good morning to you. Good morning to you. We're all in our places. We're so amazing.
I'm Grammy. I'm old and I've got gray hair. But I remember when trees were nowhere and everyone had to pay for air. So I say, let it.
Oh, Judy. Well, you came and you baked me some cookies. Well, you. What we have. Moon, moon, moon. Spoon, spoon, spoon. June, June, June. Spittoon, spittoon, spittoon. Star, star, star. You're so far, far, far. Can't go by car, car, car. Fascinating.
Like it did so long ago. It's just one tiny seed, but it's all we really need. It's time to change the life we lead. Time to let it.
Goodbye, moon. I'll see you next June. Cause I'm looking for a spoon and Carl! Enough with the song!
My name's O'Hare, I'm one of you. I live here in Thneedville, too. Things you say just might be true. It could be time to start anew and maybe change my point of view. Nah. Come on, who's with me, huh?
Nobody.
Bending and stretching. Bending and stretching. Little girl, I'm bending and stretching. Jimmy Neutron, he's a spy. He's a kid and his hair is really high. He's got a friend named Carl, who is really cool, and a friend named Shin, who is held back in school. Hey, that only happened twice. A spy, a real cool guy. We're spies, and that's no disguise.
Carl!
We are the spies. We are 3 cool guys. We all have a nose and we have 2 eyes. 'Cause we're
Carl! Enough with the songs!
It's just one tiny seed, but it's all we really need. It's time to banish all your fear. Now you need the power.
I wish I was a llama in a great big llama world. Oh, ow, my scapula.